MVE Group partnered with Four Seasons Produce Incorporated to double its solar production by adding 16 PV arrays to their building. Their existing system comprises 3,924 345-watt solar panels, producing a little more than 1.35 megawatts. With nearly half of the roof unoccupied, MVE Group was able to design a system utilizing 3,465 500-watt solar panels, adding an additional 1.73 megawatts of solar production. Four Seasons Produce Incorporated is now set up to produce more than 3 megawatts of renewable solar energy, utilizing more than 7,000 solar panels combined between the existing and new PV systems. You could say that Four Seasons Produce harnesses the power of the sun, much like the fresh fruits and vegetables they deliver to the Northeast and Mid-Atlantic regions of the United States.